Hey everybody, it's Mr. Sauer, and today I have actually a little mail call here from Spider Farmer. This should be the Spider Farmer G5000. It has 1680 diodes, full spectrum, 80,000 hours lifespan. It's 480 watt, a 5-year warranty. The core coverage for this light is a 3x3, and the max coverage is a 4x4. And so I'm going to get to open it up. I'm not going to assemble it all, but I will show you the parts and stuff that are here and what comes in it. And I'll probably take a picture of it assembled for the cover of the video. I do want to thank everybody for liking and subscribing. Like I said, this is just a horticulture light to be used in whatever you choose to grow. I am going to be doing a grow series with this light for those viewers that are of age. So feel free to check out my channel. Okay, so for the Spider Farmer G5000, as you can see, it's well insulated, protected. We have the user manual for the G series. We got some stickers. It's a new thing with Spider Farmer. They start to include some stickers now. Okay, so the way this is set up is we have each one of the bars are put together here. Actually, I'm going to use that right there to. So we got 6 light bars in all. Down to the next layer here. Okay, so in the next layer, we've got the slides for the driver, because the driver can ride on the light bars when it is assembled. So that is what those are. The chains and the daisy chaining connector is if you wish to put more than 1 together. You can put up to 60 together, I believe. The power cord for the driver. Then, of course, we have the driver and the dimmer right here. And then we have the support rails for the end. It does take some assembly, but I have put together other Spider Farmer lights, and it's not really that complicated. It may look a little complicated, but really it's not too bad. It pretty much goes together pretty simply. Once you put the light bars in, then you put the driver on, you're done. So it doesn't, it's not much, but it does take a couple minutes. So I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me put it together. But thanks again, everybody. Like I said, I'm going to include a lot of the links and stuff for the Spider Farmer stuff in the description. Feel free to check them out. If you choose to buy something from Spider Farmer, I have a discount code. It is Save Your Cash, all together in one word in lowercase. I believe it also works on Amazon and the Spider Farmer site. So thanks again, everybody. I really appreciate all the support. Happy growing and have a good one out there.